Hi there, this is Andreas from Validated ID. Today I'm going to present you a demonstration about our latest project, TRUSSIHEALTH, an on-chain project. Currently, the health data providers are creating and holding health data of the patients. These data are stored in huge data silos which reside on the health data providers. Patients are not in control over their data and cannot share those data with third parties, such as other doctors, without the origin health data provider knowing about this sharing action. This creates not only privacy issues, but also a lack of portability as well as data ownership. With our project TRUSSIHEALTH, we try to address these challenges and issues by implementing a service that is used to import health data from health data providers into the identity wallet. Validated ID has already a self-sovereign identity stack consisting of tools for all actors in an SSI system, such as for issuers, verifiers, and for holders. For the holders is the identity wallet, the so-called bit wallet. Within TRUSSIHEALTH, we have extended our SSI stack and built a new middleware that is used to import these health data, which are based on the HL7/FHIR health data format, which is commonly used by health data providers. TRUSSIHEALTH transforms this data into the universal and reusable verifiable credential data format. To leverage the trust in this transformed data, we have also included the eIDAS bridge, which uses eIDAS-based certificates to seal the created verifiable credential. In this demonstration, I'm going to show you the user journey about the patient that wants to log into his patient portal and exports his health data into VIT wallet in order to show it to another doctor. Within TRUSSIHEALTH project, we also had a piloting partner, namely Common Management Solution. Okay, so now please let me show you the demo of the user journey. On the screen, you already see the patient portal provided by Common MS, as well as on the right side, the screen of my phone, including the VIT wallet as identity wallet. Okay, so now I'm the user that tries to log in to his patient portal. To do so, I have to enter username and password and press on log on. Okay, so username and password was correct, and now I'm being logged into the patient portal. So this is the patient portal landing page with all the overviews over the patient's functionalities. So you can look up your own data, make appointments, and also what is new now, the integration is here. Okay, we have an allergy tile where we can see all the allergies which have been entered by doctors and we are going to actually export those allergy data into the wallet. To do this, we're clicking on the three dots and then press on the export data to wallet button. Now we are being redirected to VIT Connect, which is OpenID Connect provider for performing the DIT-auth process. The DIT-auth process ensures that the user proves ownership of the DID to the patient portal. So I'm going to open the wallet, and there are no credentials in here yet. So I click on the third tab, which is the scanning QR code tab, and I'm scanning the QR code. And now the wallet shows me the request that the patient portal is actually requesting sharing my DID. And I press accept, And now there is a challenge response protocol working in the background. And so I proved the ownership of my DID. So what happened now was that after I provided the DID, the electronic medical record system in the backend of CommonMS fetched this data and sent them to the TRUSSIHEALTH. And TRUSSIHEALTH did the data transformation from HL7 into a verifiable credential data format and also signed it with an EIDA seal, encrypted the health data object, stored this on IPFS, linked it with this credential, and sent me the credential offer to the phone as I got it now. So I have received this credential offer. The health data object is not in here directly, but it is linked through the documentation, the document ID, to the encrypted object stored on IPFS. I'm pressing accept and have now the credential in my wallet. If I click on the I can look up the credential data, such as credential type or the EIDA seal level. The second part of the user journey is then when I, as a patient, go to a doctor and want to share their metadata. And to do this, we have implemented a tool called the TRUSSIHEALTH Verifier tool, which the doctor can use to request data from the patient. And to do so, the doctor clicks here on this button and creates a QR code. The patient then scans this QR code and sees the request for data sharing on the phone. The patient presses accept if he gives consent to sharing the data, and now the data are sent to this verifier tool. And this verifier tool shows not only the data which have been transformed and sent, but also the validity of this data. We see details about the issuer, including the EIDA seal. Also, it validates the EIDA seal. It's also downloadable. In the subject tab, we see all the data related to the subject. And now to the most important tab, it's the health tab. And here we see all the data that were part of the health data object and were transformed. Important to notice that these data are not in the credential, but have been fetched afterwards from the TRUSSIHEALTH from the IPFS node. And with this, we finished the demonstration and covered the whole user journey. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate and reach out to us. Thank you very much for your interest, and have a great day.